In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix can't trade problem on Steam. If you've ever tried to trade items or use the Steam community market and suddenly hit a restriction, you're not alone. These limitations can feel confusing at first, but don't worry. We're going to break everything down and get you back to trading in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open the Steam app on your computer. Whether you're using a Windows PC or a Mac, make sure the Steam client is fully launched. If you're not already signed in, click the Login button. On the desktop version, this is usually located in the top right corner of the window. Enter your account name and password and take a moment to double-check that everything is correct to avoid login errors. Once you're ready, click Sign In. After logging in, you should be on the Steam homepage. Now, look at the top left corner of the window and click on the Steam menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. This is where we'll find the options needed to fix the trading issue. Inside the Settings menu, navigate to the Security section. This area controls the protection features tied to your Steam account. Next, click on Manage Steam Guard. Steam Guard is an important security feature, and it's required for trading items and using the community market. Make sure Steam Guard is enabled on your account. If it's turned off, enable it and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Now, here's something very important to keep in mind. If you've recently changed your password or added a mobile authenticator, Steam applies a temporary restriction. This means trading and community market access may be locked for up to 5 days. Additionally, if you try to trade within the first 7 days of adding the mobile authenticator, Steam may place a 15-day trade hold on your items. These waiting periods are normal and are designed to protect your account from unauthorized access. Before finishing up, also make sure your email address and phone number are verified. This confirms that you're the rightful owner of the account and helps prevent further restrictions. Once everything is set, close the Steam client completely, then reopen it. Restarting Steam refreshes your session and ensures all changes take effect. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the can't trade problem on Steam and enjoy a smoother, more secure trading experience. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!